Hi friends, welcome to my channel Love for Baking Love Air Cakes, and as you would have read the heading, it's mental health today. You must be thinking why all of a sudden from baking to mental health. So I'll be telling you shortly why mental health today. And yes, it is definitely connected to baking. It is connected to every profession. It is connected to every person. It is absolutely connected to each and every one these days. So let's start with the video and let's discuss the topic. So, firstly, why I am talking about this topic today, mental health, is reason is I have shared in my previous video. I met with a small accident. I fractured my finger. It became more worse. I have to undergo a surgery. I was admitted in hospital, and so now probably for 1.5 months I won't be doing baking. And while I was undergoing all this process, my brain was continuous repeating one thing, that is when I am going to start with baking, when I am going to do my work, my passion which I love. In meanwhile, I have cancelled lot of orders. I have been getting lot of cake orders and I've been denying it, and trust me, it is the most worst thing to do it. The thing that you love, that's your passion, that's your most importantly your business, and saying no to it, it's really heartbreaking. And somehow I was not thinking, to be very honest, in my subconscious mind this was running, that one, I am going to start baking all over again, until how this gonna be like this, why it happened. And I was keep on thinking about it, and somewhere it was affecting my mental peace. And so I thought of discussing this today. I will telling you, past last year I have been undergone so much of mental stress, and how I overcame it. And yes, in baking business there will be lot of time when you will be having lot of mental stress, how to deal with it. So we'll be talking about everything short. So basically, when I said I was thinking all this, when I started my journey of baking 2019, my first order was in May, and after that, I was somehow lucky to get orders every month. There was not even a single month I didn't got any, there was not a point when I didn't get any order. But when there was a delay in getting orders, मेरे को हमेशा लगता था कि ऑर्डर्स क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं, वाई इट इज़ हैपनिंग, आई हैव लर्न सो मच, आई हैव स्पेंड सो मच, आई हैव प्रैक्टिस्ड अबाउट इट, वाई आई एम नॉट गेटिंग ऑर्डर्स, मेरे को मिलेंगे नहीं मिलेंगे, और वो चीज़ मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेस करता था. बट समहाउ थोड़े दिन में वो आ जाता था. नाउ व्हेन आई लुक बैक, मुझे ये लगता है कि व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बेकिंग जर्नी, दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग टू डिस्कस. So there will be many times when you won't be getting orders, there will be a gap, there will be so much of delay in getting orders, and trust me, it's heartbreaking somewhere. But you have to keep that hope and you have to keep on practice. In this meantime, when you're not getting any order, trust me, go for some online courses, not very expensive. You don't want to spend so much now, go for some flour making, or you can go for how to give a finish edge uh, baking class, something or the other. Keep on learning because you're not wasting it. Trust me, slowly and steadily you will get lot of orders. So you have to keep enhance yourself, और आपको कंटिन्यूस अपने आप को बिजी रखना है. तो उसका यही एक तरीका है, सबसे बेस्ट है कि आप अपने आप को, एज आई से, बेकिंग इज़ ऑल अबाउट प्रैक्टिस. आप जितना प्रैक्टिस करते रहोगे, यू विल गेट दैट फिनिश. सो यू डोंट हैव टू लूज़ होप. दैट वॉट इज़ माई मेन पॉइंट. ऑर्डर्स को आने में टाइम लगता है, कई बार थोड़ा सा डिले हो जाता है, बट डोंट लूज़ होप, डोंट स्ट्रेस इट आउट. एंड बिकॉज आई अंडरस्टैंड कि जब आप स्ट्रेस्ड आउट होते हो या फिर आपका मेंटल इफ़ेक्ट कर रहा होता है, मेंटल डिसबैलेंस हो रहा होता है कि मेरे को नहीं आ रहे हैं, स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, टेंशन हो रहा है, फिर आपका किसी भी काम में मन नहीं लगता है, विच इज़ वेरी नेचुरल. सो आई वुड टेल यू टू बी ऑक्यूपाइड, look for more videos. There are many bakers, home bakers, where you can follow their page, look how they have given lot of tutorials, learn that, practice that, and keep yourself busy. So this is one way. यू विल डेफिनेटली गेट दिस। एक ये वाला पीरियड टाइम आता है जब आपको लगता है कि ऑर्डर्स क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं, तो कीप योर सेल्फ ऑक्यूपाइड, आई वुड सजेस्ट। Talking about when I said last year, so people who know me, they know that I lost my mother last year. That was in August 2020. It was not due to COVID. It was I mean, I don't want to get into the details, but yes, I lost her, and it was all of a sudden. She was not unwell or something, so that was a big trauma for me, and it was August, and trust me on this, it I'm still coping up, fighting each and every single day to come out of it. But yes, I have become better. I started I started taking orders really soon when she was gone, because I wanted to keep myself busy, because sitting ideal, and I was just thinking about all the trauma which we have gone through, and I was not able to come out of it. I was just fighting with it. I had sleepless nights, I had a lot of health issues, I was seeing doctors, I was trying everything, but nothing was helping me out. One thing which kept me going was my baking. I was taking orders, I was baking it, and I knew it. I have to keep my all cool, क्योंकि कई बार ऐसा हो रहा था कि फोकस हिल जा रहा था, बट आई न्यू इट, समबडी हैज़ केप्ट लॉट ऑफ होप्स ऑन मी, और उन्होंने वो मुझे ऑर्डर दिया है, तो मुझे भी उतने अच्छे से उसको कंप्लीट करके देना है, तो आई वॉज पुटिंग ऑल माई फोकस देयर. So yes, my mental health was affected badly, and then of course I got a fur baby. So I have a fur baby named Cooper, and he kept me busy all through with this pandemic situation or my mental health situation, and he has really helped me out to come out of it. So yes, two things. So my point is, I'm not telling you to get a fur baby, or I'm not telling you to start baking if you're not a passionate baker, but what I'm trying to say is, there will be time, there will be a lot of time when you will have mental issues, you will stuck somewhere, you will think what I'm going through, why this and that, because we have heard so much, we have gone through so much. I know there are many people like me who have lost their loved ones, or jobs, or some of the other losses. So keep yourself busy, keep yourself positive. That's the only way. Like my father says, or he always tells me, there is two way of living. Either we cry and live, either we laugh and live. So yes, choose the second option. So it's very difficult at times. Many people must be thinking it's very easy to say, and then you just it's easy said than done, but not in my case, because I know what I've gone through. But that was the only option. Yes, it was hard, it was tough, but I would suggest you keep yourself busy in something you love, maybe reading books, or I know you won't get that concentration, but still keep doing it. Just listening to music. If you have kids around you, be busy with them, something or the other, because mental health is a very serious issue. Because I know I was going in a kind of a depression, and where we thought of getting a fur baby, and he really helped me. And yes, baking was my support system where I used to find peace. So guys, I would again suggest you to keep yourself busy, and yes, if you have any issues, talk to somebody, talk to your friend, some nearby people, that would really help you out. So this was my story. This is how I was dealing since 1 year. I'm still dealing with it, but yes, it's much better now. So yes, finally I would conclude, like, I would suggest each and everyone to do what they love. And in this 2 years of my baking journey, in this pandemic, this was the first time I didn't had any order for a complete month. And but I never lose hope. I was enjoying my time, I was learning something or the other, planning for new designs for the cake, and I was keeping myself busy with this. And yes, so don't lose your hope. this was my a very important message which I wanted to share with everyone, because I understand it's very tough. I've gone through it, so I thought of sharing with everyone how to come out of it, or how to deal with it, or how to keep going things. Being a home baker or being doing any job, it's not easy. I understand it takes a lot of mental and physical strength, but if we are not mentally or physically fine, it really becomes tough. So rather than getting into it and getting into some kind of a depression, or like fighting with it, it's better if we start mending it from the start. So keeping yourself busy would be the only option. That's all for today's topic. I hope I have solved the purpose, and I have helped people who are dealing with the same thing, especially the home bakers, or who are planning to start with new journey of home baking. And if you want to ask me anything, you can comment it in the comment box below. Rest, keep safe, keep healthy. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for liking my videos. Please do share and subscribe to my channel.